Small business owners across the country are not only dealing with rising health care costs, but also increased uncertainty as Republican lawmakers try to overhaul the health care system. And as Contessa Brewer reports, that uncertainty is playing out in Louisville, Kentucky.
Oh, that's good.
Bourbon is big business for Nicole Stipp and Caitlin Soligan. The women launched their company, Matson and Gilman, in Louisville, Kentucky almost a year ago, providing concierge bourbon tours.
Tourism side seemed ripe for disruption, which was where we got really excited to kind of do something new.
They consider Louisville a perfect incubator for their small business, with its friendly culture and low cost of living. Its highly regarded healthcare exchange was also a big draw. But the Democratic governor who had supported Obamacare was replaced by a Republican who campaigned against government health care. Kentucky has since closed its exchange and shifted to the federal exchange. The result has been confusion and uncertainty for many businesses.
We would like some stability and some ability to plan. And Obamacare has been what we started our business with, and it would be really difficult at this point to imagine a growth future with it being rolled back.
But the Affordable Care Act isn't so affordable for other small businesses.
They tricked the country into making small business and the working person pay for everybody else.
Jesse Flynn co-founded Flynn Brothers Contracting in the 70s. With 200 plus workers, they build buildings, pave roads, lay pipes, and work through mountains of paperwork related to healthcare coverage.
It's an incredible burden.
Flynn says he has to offer healthcare benefits to compete for quality workers. But premiums and deductibles have more than doubled in the last decade. And Flynn blames Congress for the failure of tort reform, lack of competition, and especially Obamacare.
We're into the millions when we're talking about an annual premium here. And at some point, we need to look at other options. And I was hoping that legislatively we'd have other options this year other than self-insurance.
Flynn says he voted for Trump on the promise of repealing Obamacare, but now he's not sure if that will happen.
We need to come up with fixes for small business that find themselves in that kind of situation. But the fix is not to throw the baby out with the bathwater.
Kentucky's Obamacare success story, its uninsured rate dropped from 20% to 6%. And leaders say that it improved overall health and the productivity of the workforce. But small business owners say none of that matters if they don't know what's coming down the pike.
It's the instability that is the business killer right now. We don't know what we'll have access to in 3 months.
Citrus for sure, right?
These young entrepreneurs are so close to success, they can smell it.
Our business is absolutely going to hinge its growth on what we're able to do for future employees. And if providing healthcare isn't one of them, we can't have future employees.
That coverage considered crucial to the health of small business. For Nightly Business Report, Contessa Brewer, Louisville.